sins of my father way down in my soul.